Hey guys, we're here at the Bank United building in Delray Beach. Gonna go inside and check out the elevators. Let's take a ride to 7. Oh, this is a really bumpy ride in this car. Sorry, man. Let's try out the other elevator. So we're in the other cab right now. This one is all wood. It's a very nice cab. I want to say this is an Otis elevator. I'm not too sure of the fixtures. My buddy Mike would know. Oh, I do miss him. He would love this elevator. This one's much smoother. Let's give it a ride down. This is an office building. So if anyone knows what type of elevator this is just by the fixtures, leave a comment below. I'm gonna say it's Otis. What do you guys think?